Good afternoon. Welcome back to the channel. Another quick video on HamsOverIP again on the some latest updates. We're going through the next several days some security updates across our network. You don't need to do anything from your end. I'll switch over screens and show you a post from our co-founder Jesse, WH6AV, and tell you what the post is. So I'll just quickly go over to here. Hello everyone. Over the next several days we will be performing a series of much needed security updates across the HamsOverIP platform. During this maintenance window, some non-infrastructural services, including the main website, certain web-based tools, may be unavailable for a few days while these updates are completed. The core infrastructure services will remain operational unless otherwise announced. Obviously, these improvements are an important part of strengthening the security, stability, and long-term reliability of the platform. We appreciate your patience as we complete this work and apologise for any inconvenience caused. We'll post any update as soon as the maintenance is complete and all affected services have been restored. Now, depending on the number of announcements, I don't think it's necessary for me to keep updating everybody via video. Please, and all the links with this video will be on the description. Please join our Discord chat server, support and chat server, I should say, where all the necessary updates for this maintenance schedule will be announced when it happens, bearing in mind that Jesse lives the other side of the world, and not every announcement can be dealt with right there and then, so there may be a slight delay depending on when the announcements are actually made. But please bear in mind, again, you don't need to do anything. Just let the maintenance system go through itself. I'm not suggesting your phone won't work, but keep your eyes open for any announcements on our Discord chat and maintenance support and chat server, where we have a separate announcement channel where all the updates will be posted when that becomes apparent and necessary. So again, you don't need to do anything. Just sit back and wait. But if non-core infrastructure services, including the main website and certain web-based tools, don't work, then you generally would actually know, and there's no need to put in a ticket to inform us. So again, this is an information video just to let you know what's obviously going on, and we take it from there. So again, I know I've repeated it twice, but I can't stop repeating it. You don't actually have to do anything at your end. If things don't work, just leave it alone. Let through the maintenance schedule work through, and after, if it's still not working, let us know via the ticketing system. And this is for information purposes. Thank you for watching my YouTube videos. Please like and subscribe, and join our VoIP network. 73s, bye for now.